Welcome to the Smart Tech to Tech video series on the Smart Amp collaborative learning software. This first session will serve as a guide to our series of videos. This initial video contains an introduction, objectives, and the basic requirements for Smart Amp. The goal of the Smart Tech to Tech video series on Smart Amp is to explore the steps and procedures necessary for technical staff to set up and configure Smart Amp and to be ready to use in the classroom. The steps include creating and configuring a domain with Google Apps for Education, connecting the domain to Smart Amp, and the creation of the necessary profiles to get users up and running. Smart Amp collaborative learning software is a revolutionary educational tool that embraces the power of student personal devices. With seamless transition between lessons and activities, Smart Amp optimizes your current classroom technology and makes the most out of every minute in the classroom. Smart Amp may be viewed and accessed from most devices. Smart tested a variety of devices and browsers. Smart recommends the listed devices as these provide optimal performance and the best overall user experience. To use Smart Amp effectively, students will consult online resources, embed content, and links from other sources within their workspaces. A school with a current Bring Your Own Device internet bandwidth plan in place will be prepared for the necessary network requirements of Smart Amp. When using Smart Amp, you may use your preferred internet browser. Smart recommends end users upgrade their current browser to gain the best usability from the HTML5 tools within the browser. The following videos consist of the different steps necessary to set up Smart Amp to be ready for the classroom. Phase 1 focuses on the creation of the Google Apps domain needed to run Smart Amp. Phase 2 shows the necessary configuration settings of this domain. And Phase 3 connects Smart Amp software to the domain so users may begin to use it in the classroom. In closing, if you have further questions regarding the basic features, specifications, or requirements for the Smart Amp collaborative learning software, please check Smart Support Center at the listed URL, search the knowledge base using the available filters and keywords, or contact Smart's technical support using one of the listed options. Thank you again for viewing the first session in the Smart Tech to Tech video series on Smart Amp.